Привет. So, welcome to this episode of Lada Moscow Global Garage with us in Valdres Gatebil. Today we're going to install some swirly bits and some things here that you can explain more about.
Yes, this is a 70mm lift kit. It comes complete with all arms, adjustable arms. We already have a lift kit on the car. It consists of two different lift kits. So this time we will have one complete one, and hopefully we then could go to Norwegian DMV and get the car road legal.
So let's go, rise the car up, take everything off and put all the new things in.
Yeah.
Good.
Okay, here we have the front springs. This is the rear ones. I got new shocks, front and rear. New brake hose for the rear axle.
And here, the small parts are here.
Yes. This is for the brake pressure, the rear axle. This is for the control arms in the front.
Right, to dampen the spring.
Over the springs.
Like this, like that.
Yes.
Cool.
This is transverse bar and axles to hold the rear axle.
And all adjustable.
Yes.
That's good. So let's race the car and see what we got now.
Some experimental lift springs we purchased a couple of years ago, but you can see now they have compressed very much, so the car isn't very high anymore. And in the rear, the wheels are taking the arches, so the car needs to go up again.
Yep. Springs and shocks, and that's it. That's what we got.
Here there are some spacers for the A-arms. We're going to change out them. And in the rear, we're going to change all the arms that's holding the rear axle. This one, and our
This one.
self-made.
Yeah, we had to make one ourselves.
Yeah, so the rear axle was
It was crooked, off-centered. Yes.
Okay,
Let's start tearing this down.
Yep.
Cool.
We will have to try to pull suspension together, because new springs are longer and stiffer, so we need a little help.
Because we're jacking the car away from the lifter. That's not good. And this is Henning. Say hello to the world. Okay, here it is. Here's your nut.
Thank you.
So that was a bit tricky. Needed a a lot of work, and we killed our jack. It doesn't look good. He bleeds. But we got it done.
Yeah. What are we going to do on the next side?
Maybe we'll figure something out. Yay!
Okay, let's start with the rear suspension then.
Yep. Our brand new camera just died, so we're going over to GoPro. I think that's the best because the camera we didn't want to focus so close. But here we are, making it happen. We have a small issue.
Yeah, the mounting for the bushings are bigger than our old shocks, so we don't have any bushings that fits. So we have to stay with our old ones, but we have new bushings for them. So and the old dampers is good. So
Yeah.
we'll stick
Then
with
let's
that.
go with that.
Yep.
Sergey, send us some bushings for this one, so we have a complete kit. Is it the same length?
The same length, yes. So
So
we
we
will
just
not be-
keep the old one?
Yeah.
Because it's already adjusted. All right, so the last few bolts on the wheel there and the new kit is installed, not adjusted right, but installed.
So we'll drop it down on the floor as soon as the wheel mounted up.
We learned one thing, not to take the spring out of the clamp before putting in the race bar at the top here. This is almost, it's not impossible, but it's not worth a new transfer jack to make it happen. So just don't take the spring out of the clamps and then it's fine.
Yes.
Okay. So we drop it down. It's higher. I don't think we have any problems with scrubbing anymore.
No, we can put the wheel spacers on here.
Oh, coffee!
Yes.
Need bigger wheels.
We need bigger wheels. We have bigger wheels. The DMV didn't like them. So that was that job. It took, because of some stupid bolts and stuff, it took about 2 hours. And everyone's laughing, and that's because it's not true. So, yep, cool. Should we say thank you for your help and thank you, and we see you soon in the next video. Soon.
Yep.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.